Okay, Charles LeBlanc, and we know I always fight for issues, and there's one issue that I was really concerned about 3-4 months ago, and I've been following this very carefully. I was even going to see the Attorney General and the Justice Department to even investigate this. Anyway, we're going to find out what's going on and get an update. And us, we're tough. We're on the street. We're surrounded by germs all the time. So,
all the time.
So I mean, Corona. What's that? You know, you gotta start off, right?
Something else we got to worry about.
Yes, we got a lot of problems, a lot of issues. Corona. Yeah. Okay. By the way, did you get a checkup for Corona? You did? How did you manage that?
I just went to my doctor.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And where did you have it checked? The doctor office?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you couldn't work somewhere. Okay, focus. So your name is?
Glendon LeKing.
And Glendon, we talked about what, 3-4 months ago?
About 3 months ago, yes.
And this was before this virus, and they shut down the city and the court system. And you were in the newspaper.
Yes.
And what was the headline?
I was charged for...
What's the headline?
Glendon Leroy LeKing exposed himself to somebody on the trail.
Let me help you. Man exposed himself, pleads guilty for exposing himself near the walking trail. That was the headline, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the headline was, and near the walking trail. And there was no walking trail in the area. We're going to get to that. So that's why I said, man exposed himself. Oh my God, pervert. But anyway, I mean, that's what it is. You know, a pervert. Fucking hey, see somebody, hey, how do you like me now?
Exactly.
But that's not exactly what happened here.
No.
You drink. You drink.
I drink.
And when you drink, what do you usually do?
I drink.
When you drink, what do you usually do?
Have a piss.
Exactly. So you had a piss where?
Up by the trees at Sobeys.
And what happened?
And then the cops came, said they were arresting me for urinating outside, and then when I got to the courtrooms, they told me I was exposing myself to somebody on the trail. But
they said, do you understand what you're pleading guilty to? They asked you 3 times, right? They'd say for you thought it was urinating, for pissing. Or
yes, that's what I was charged with. And
for pissing.
Yeah.
And next thing you know,
I'm charged
in the paper.
I'm charged for exposing myself.
And we were very upset the way you were tricked.
Yeah.
And you did expose yourself. And a woman would still like to find out who the hell she is. She was traumatized by seeing you.
I guess so.
Pissing. Is it that big?
I don't think so.
Focus, Charles. Focus. It's okay, but I mean, she was traumatized, and it was in the fall, and you had a female companion beside you that was protecting you, like
standing in front of me. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So you were going to court in July, and was it May?
May. I talked to them.
Now this is the funny part. Not funny. Sad. Next thing you know, he's supposed to show up in court, and he was going to say, listen, I didn't expose myself. I want this change. And next thing you know, Corona arrived. So he's not allowed to go in front of a judge. What happened?
They put it off. They phoned me at home, and the judge and Crown Prosecutor, whoever, phoned me at home, and they just said, we're setting a new trial date for July the 17th.
July the 17th?
Yeah.
And you told them what over the phone?
I told them that I'm guilty of having a piss. Yes, I am. But I said I exposed myself to nobody.
And what'd they say?
And the judge said, well, I'd have to talk to the duty council when they open the courtrooms again.
Duty council. The good old duty council that just shows up there and say, come on.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. Just plead guilty. 20 hours of community work. Come on. You can't.
Yeah, but I don't want this on my record. I didn't do it. You know what I mean? Like, everybody looks at you as if you're a fucking sicko or something, right? Like,
a judge once told me, never plead guilty to any case.
Yeah.
You gotta have a trial. Okay, so they told you to go see legal aid, or?
Legal aid won't accept me because
it's a summary.
It's summary conviction, yes.
And summary conviction, you don't have the right to a lawyer.
Exactly.
And you have to go there with tears in your eyes and beg mercy of the court, even though you'll be labeled as a pervert for the rest of your life.
Yep. And it's not right.
So, how is this, was that woman there that was traumatized? Was she on the phone?
Nope. I was just talking to the judge. I don't even remember his name.
So, when are you going?
The 17th of July I go back.
So, are you going to go there or are you going to be on the phone?
I don't know.
So, is the woman that was traumatized by your whatever, Charlie Focus, are you French?
No.
Must be, but it must be a small. Okay, so anyway, so I mean, why would she be traumatized for? Charlie Focus, turn around. Is the woman going to be on the phone? And then, I haven't been the same since, and cry on the phone that she was traumatized and not showing up in court that you could see her?
Exactly. I haven't seen her. I don't even know who she is. Ever since I was arrested, I don't know who she is. And this is the third time they put it off. Like the first time, like I pleaded not guilty the first time, and then the cop said to me, said that, or the duty counselor said to me, it was a charge for urinating in public.
Yeah.
And like I said, when I got to the courtroom and I pleaded guilty to it, they tried to tell me I exposed myself.
No, you can't have that. And if you had money,
I wouldn't even be in court.
No, that person that put a complaint against you would be sued.
Yep.
You know, I mean, it's crazy. Listen, keep me in touch. I'm going to see, when this clears over the corona, I'm going to see the Attorney General. We're going to ask her about how this is not right.
No, it ain't.
No, it's not.
It's just not right at all.
Whatever you do, they're going to kiss your ass. They're going to make you feel so important. Do not plead guilty.
Oh, I won't. I want to withdraw my plea.
Yeah, because what they're going to do, maybe or whatever, a lawyer, or maybe I can help you. Oh, they'll put me in jail too. Maybe we could take a picture of your little thing, and take a little picture and put her on the stand. Excuse me, madam.
Is that the one you see?
Yeah, is that the one you see? Were you traumatized? Why were you traumatized by this, Charlie Focus? Keep in touch.
I will so.
You'll be